Thank you for coming to see me. Welcome. Today, the best homemade pizza components all come together. I explore in separate videos how to choose the best pizza dough, sauce, and cheese for you. And in this video, I'll tell you all the best pizza topping ideas and combinations. And then you'll know how to make pizza at home that fits your taste and your budget with all the different pizza toppings, including the best pepperoni pizza recipe. I'm Heather, and I want you to feel confident in the kitchen, to be able to make every recipe your own and have fun with the process. First, you've got to decide on your toppings. I love to make a lot of smaller pizzas and throw random ingredients on them based on my favorite tacos or sandwiches or weird pizzas I've seen on shows. And then I do a couple of pepperoni pizzas. So prep your ingredients. I shave some Parmesan to put on after the pizzas get out of the oven. I also cut up some asparagus into bite-sized chunks. To make life easy, I got some deli turkey and deli chicken and chopped that up, sliced a tomato. I maybe could have halved or quartered those tomato slices. I sliced some red onion and then chopped up a block of brie. There were a few other ingredients I had laying around too, like fresh basil, pickled jalapenos, pepperoni, and balsamic glaze. I prefer to go ahead and have everything out so I can easily pick and choose. Something I didn't do here, but you definitely could do, is melt a little butter, add a drizzle of olive oil and some garlic, and paint the edges of your pizza for a garlic crust. Next, think about what toppings are going to go on before the pizza goes into the oven and which ones are going to go on after. So typically, meats and cheese go into the oven. Some veggies, like the asparagus, you want to be cooked. Some, like the red onion, are going to depend on what flavors and textures you're looking for. In the oven, the onion won't be as sharp or as crunchy. If you put it on after the pizza is cooked, you get the full in-your-face flavor of the onion. Here, I started with a margherita. So pizza sauce and my homemade mozzarella and a slice of tomato and into the oven. Once it's out, fresh basil is torn and put on top. You can also put a glug of delicious olive oil and a sprinkle of some delicate salt on top. Divine. Fan favorite of the night was fig jam, brie, and deli turkey in that order and into the oven. And then a healthy drizzle of balsamic glaze on top. I was truly surprised how much everyone kept asking for this one. Then I made my favorite pizza, which is pizza sauce, pizza cheese, pepperoni, pickled jalapenos, and pineapple with an extra layer of cheese on top. The sweet and the spicy are so good here. I love a barbecue pizza, so I use Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce as a base, deli chicken, and then Mexican cheese and into the oven. And I love a barbecue sandwich with a spicy red onion and the tart pickle on top, so I put those on afterwards. It turned out delicious, but I could have used a little more spice. A couple other combos I did: pizza sauce, mozzarella, pepperoni, and pizza cheese. If the mozzarella had been on top, the textures would have come out better in this one. Asparagus, olive oil, purple onion, and brie. Pizza cheese would have been better than brie, and as a topping for after it got out of the oven, instead of balsamic glaze, only red pepper and salt, and this would have been fire. A portion of the night's feast. I want you to use these ideas as mere suggestions, and then become as experimental or as traditional as your heart calls you to be. You can also throw a little pizza party and have your friends come over and experiment with all the different flavors that they provide. Have fun. Just remember, it starts with a bite.